in our kitchen. I'm eating my lunch. This one is a white rice. This one is cooked by my father. This is 3 pieces squid. 1, 2, and 3. And the other one is ginataang kalabasa. So, kain tayo guys. This one is my ulam. This is cooked by my mother and this one is cooked by my father. Mag-vacation mode. So, kain tayo guys. Gusto ko ng gatang. Nice one. And then, ito naman yung puset. So yummy guys. And I will have to pour this. Yeah. Because I'm on vacation right now, so my parents is the one who is cooking my food here. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So, I'm just happy guys. Pero syempre, pag galing ka namang abroad, alam na kung anong kapalit guys. Prinsesa. Pero syempre, but it's okay. I'm so lucky to have my parents like them.